It's the unsung hero of a Blue Angels show, the big guy who kicks off the party. And that is, of course, Fat Albert. This powerhouse C130 is about to get some serious upgrades and some maintenance, and that have really needed to be done. It's going to be off stage for a while, so will the Blue Angels fly without their trusted cargo king next year? Well, let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rough Rider Show YouTube channel as we had a very interesting end to our airshow season due to the government shutdown. But we also got some news this week regarding Fat Albert. And those who don't know, Fat Albert is the Blue Angels C-130 carrier aircraft responsible for carrying equipment to and from each airshow site and as well as performs its own little maneuvers. Now, the word is out, Fat Albert is heading to the UK for critical heavy maintenance overhaul. Now, of course, we're talking about the center wing box replacement. This is basically a spinal transplant for the plane, a huge job that is expected to take about 10 to 14 months. Now, it's necessary to extend the aircraft's life by another 2 decades, but this means our beloved C-130 is grounded for a big chunk of the 2026 season. Now don't panic, the Blue Angels aren't canceling. Fat Albert is their transport plane hauling more than 35,000 pounds of gear and up to 60 crew members to and from each airshow site. Now of course, they can't do a show without support, so what's the plan if Fat Albert isn't going to fly next year? Well, the plan is the Blue Angels will use a replacement C-130 for all of the logistics. Now, of course, the jets will still be flying, of course. The show will be still incredible, but we might have to hold off seeing that awesome demonstration flight from the real Fat Albert until maintenance is complete. So while the original Fat Albert is getting some deep tissue massage, as they say, the Blue Angels will keep the show in the air, and we'll keep you updated exactly when she returns to the lineup. But of course, in the meantime, it is going to be sad that we potentially may not see the real Fat Albert for the 2026 season. What is your favorite Fat Albert maneuver? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, as always, thank you for following us on the channel. Make sure to check out the 24/7 bird cam stream for nature lovers who love watching birds and raccoons and animals at night. We run a 24/7 stream here on the channel all about nature, birds, and of course we cover air shows and vlogs and whatever else we could get into here on the channel. So if you liked what you see, feel free to subscribe, and of course, can't wait till the 2026 airshow season in March.